Right. It's Christmas Eve, so you're having this early. You don't get the rest of your prizes until tomorrow. It's for you, Charlie.
Oh. Bring it here, come on. Oh, Dizzy's found the treat. What have you got, Charlie? Oh, Charlie's got the treat and he's off.
No, Diz, this one's yours.
What is it?
This one's Dizzy. You want Dizzy? Go on, open it. Wow!
What is it?
Look at this!
Oh.
It's a Santa's little helper elf hat. Give me this. Oh, look at that.
Oh, Diz, have a look. Have a look. Hey.
Yeah!
Oh, Charlie's got a hat as well. Look at Dizzy.
So they get that. They get this present early, so they can wear their little hats all over Christmas. Here we go. It's all for Charlie.
Have a look, Charlie.
Look at your papa.
Charlie. Oh yeah. Ho ho ho. Oh, look at the boys.
Get Dizzy.
Oh.
Santa's little helper. Now you're going to be a good boy all over Christmas, otherwise you'll have to wear that all the time. Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Merry Christmas! So, it's Christmas Eve! And as you can see, we're all in the spirit of things with our little hats. The boys have just opened a present early and got their little Santa's little helper hats.
So cute.
And yes, we're back together after me visiting the UK for a while. I just wanted to dedicate this video to my little sister who's watching from hospital. She's making a really, really good recovery. So you're doing great, Lise. Love you and keep getting well. So Merry Christmas to you. I love you so much.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, Lise. Sarah's little sis, get well soon, be strong, and you'll be back on your feet in no time. So sending all our love to you there and hope you have a good Christmas. So yeah, Sarah's been back now for a few days. She was in the UK for 10 days. I managed to survive the whole experience, managed to cook for myself. Just about, didn't burn the house down. The dogs are safe. And getting lots of walks, getting used to living in a house again, which is all very confusing for us. After 7 months on the road, being together 24/7, it was very strange Sarah being back in the UK for all of us. But she's back now.
I'm back, the pack is back together and we're gonna have a lovely Christmas.
And it was so cute when we went to pick her up. Drove in to see her, took the dogs with me, and they were ridiculously excited. This is the footage from a few days ago. Today's a really exciting day. Sarah is coming home. Come to the airport with the boys and we're all dead excited. I think it's safe to say that the boys are ridiculously excited. Dizzy wouldn't stop barking. Charlie is just going crazy. I think they know something's going on. Yeah. Shh, calm down. Calm down. Calm down, calm down. She's not quite here yet. I'll have to wait. So we're all really excited. It'd be nice to have Sarah back in the pack. And then we can have a nice Christmas. Come on. Mummy's home. They've been so excited.
Yeah,
Dizzy's just been barking.
Yeah. Oh, my baby.
Oh, look at that. Hey, hey, hey.
Reunited. Calm down. Yeah, good boys. You're all chubby. Your papa's giving you too many hot dogs. Is he giving you too many hot dogs? Oh, I'm so happy to be home.
There's going to be videos coming out every other day over Christmas. We've still got Slovenia, Croatia and a bit more of Italy to come, where we had an amazing time. Places we've been looking forward to going for the whole trip. So lots more to come on the channel, lots more other ideas as well.
Oh, we have got so many good ideas for videos coming in the new year. It's just ridiculous. And of course, we're planning the next trip as well. Where as soon as this cold weather's over, we're heading north. So stay tuned to the channel. Thank you ever so much, all of you, for watching our videos and subscribing to our channel.
Thanks for all your comments, all your love, all your likes, all that sort of thing.
It's been a really busy time over the last couple of weeks.
Stressful time for everyone involved, really.
Yeah, but I really appreciate, we really appreciate all of the love and comments that we've got. So yes, Merry Christmas to everybody.
And a Happy New Year.
And stay safe.
Stay warm.
Have fun. Don't drink too much.
But drink enough.
And I think that's it.
Yeah.
We'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video. There's no more in there, that's it. Charlie, stop eating the paper. Stop eating the paper.